Hi, I'm Katie Beaven. I head the family team here at Burkitt's. I've been here for 12 years. I've been a solicitor for almost 20 years now, and I've been mediating for around 6 or 7 years. When I wear my mediator hat, it's a very different hat to when I wear my solicitor hat. Essentially, what you do is you're there to facilitate a conversation between two people. So mum, dad, husband, wife, either sorting out finances or sorting out children issues. And when I'm dealing with children issues, what is quite crucial is to understand what the interests are of the children. Now, mum might have a different view to what the interests are of the children are than dad. And sometimes it does help if you can involve the children. The children are generally worried that they've caused the breakdown of the relationship. And that's devastating for a mum and dad to be told that. And you've got to understand that that's going to be their immediate thought. And so the first thing that needs to happen is that those parents need to have a conversation with the children. And in mediation, you can talk through how that conversation might go. And with child inclusive mediation, the mediator can then meet with that child or the children, depending on their ages. I would say generally from around 8 years, even my oldest is 7, and I think he'd be able to participate. So probably from 7 years upwards. Now, you're not meeting with the children for them to make any decisions. That's really important to understand. And both parents would need to be in agreement over this. But you would be speaking with the children about what they want. Now, generally, this is, I want to see mum and I want to see dad. I want to still do all the activities that I do now. I want to see grandma. I want to see granddad. Where am I going to live? What's going to happen? And what I tend to find is when these conversations happen, it anchors the parents back to what's important during the mediation and why they chose mediation in the first place. Because it is a better and it is a kinder process. Those parents are going to be parents to those children for the rest of their life. They're going to want to stand in the same room at graduation. They're going to want to stand in the same room as parents' evenings. And that means so much to the children. If both children are there at their assemblies, for example, it makes a world of difference. So it's about communication, and it's about bringing that communication into the adult mediation when you speak to the child or the children.